These are Canadian polycrystalline panels, rated 300 watts. There are 5 of them. That is 1, 2, 3. It's 300. This is the 4th one. And this is the 5th one. This the battery is here. Rated 200. That's the first one. That's the second one. The ADM batteries. Oh, that is the frame there. Then these are the rays. So that's one. Like I said. The present books, I was say I don't charge. 26.1. Okay, about out. Yeah, you can see the air circuit breaker. That's the DC breaker. And this one is the AC input. Beautiful. 2 fans. I love that. This is the earthing. This is the earthing point. We want to test and see if this earthing system here is usable. 500 and something. It's too high. It's too high. You have to work on it. All right. It's rated 1,500 watts. We have this Canadian 300 watts monocrystalline panel on the roof. 5 of them. So 1,500. This setup is designed to power refrigerators. It's a 3-bedroom flat. Parlor, lights, fans, outside the AC for now. Although the inverter, I love the inverter. This is India 3.5 kVA. The noise ratio, there's no noise at all. It doesn't make noise. And it has a very nice input voltage sweep. I think it's from 170 to 270 volts input. Understand? It has charging current. You can also select it there. See that 20 or 40 amps, depending on the number of batteries you have. So the system is on now. If I on this one now, I can hear the fridge adjuster. So that is the refrigerator. It's on. You can hear the noise. This one is not much load. I think it's about 180 watts. So this one is no load. But this system should be able to carry them for 24 hours. When it gets to 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock in the evening, they put off the refrigerator. Then they manage the remaining energy stored in the battery to the next day, because it's just 2 batteries that will happen. Thank you very, very much. Please subscribe if you are not subscribed, so that you can view our subsequent videos. Thanks for watching.